Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and okay. To class 4th social study chapter 5 rotation and revolution. So in this video we are going to cover checkpoint. A part fill in the blanks, B match the following, C write true or false, D choose the correct answer, and E part answer the following question. So all these things we are going to discuss in this video. Checkpoint, fill in the blanks. The movement of earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth spins like a ball. The time earth takes to complete one rotation is 24 hours. So earth, the movement of earth on its axis is rotation. Earth spins like ball. The earth takes to complete one rotation is 24 hours. Here fill in the blanks. The earth spins like a dash on its axis. So spins like a ball. The dash of the earth causes day and night. So rotation of the earth causes day and night. During rotation, the area of earth facing the dash have day, facing the sun have day. The dash divided the earth into two equal halves. So equator, E for equal. Okay, a year with an extra day added to the month of February is a leap year. Clear, leap year. So next, column A, column B matches. Midnight sun, answer will be C, polar region. Second, revolution, answer will be A, change of seasons. Rotation, answer B, 24 hours. Orbit, answer E, the fixed path followed by the earth. Axis, answer D, an imaginary line. So next, write true or false. The earth axis of the rotation is vertical. So it will be false. It is not vertical. Uh, it is spherical. Clear? Like a oval, like a egg oval. All the planet of the solar system rotate from west to east. No, two planet is there. They are moving opposite direction. Venus and Uranus. The northern and southern hemisphere always have the opposite season. True. The orbit of the earth is circular in shape. So false. Polar night occur during winter. True. The polar night occur during winter. So here choose the correct answer. Tick already is there. Venus and Uranus are the two planets in the solar system that rotate from east to west. Clear? So India is located to dash of the equator north. A leap year has dash days in it 366. Based on the weather pattern and duration of daylight, the year is divided into main four seasons. Clear? The southern hemisphere countries has dash in the month of June. To answer winter. Answer the following question. Why do we have day and night? So this is because the earth rotates on its axis. This is because that earth rotates on its axis. Clear? What do you understand by the earth's orbit? The earth revolves around the sun following a fixed path. This path is called an orbit. Earth revolves around the sun following a fixed path. This path is called an orbit. Next, how long does the earth take to revolve around the sun? The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun. Clear? The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun. Define equator. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into the north and south hemisphere. So equator is an imaginary line that divided the earth into two parts. You can write two parts, equal two parts. You can also write. How many seasons we have? Name them. So we have four seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring. Clear? Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. I hope you understand each and everything. Thank you. Have a nice day.